uh, as you know, there is a core update, December update, and most of the websites that are new, fresh, and just started out are facing downward growth. So let's talk about this update. Okay, so Google announced it on 3rd of December, and as you can see, December core update is now rolling out live. As it typically with these updates, it will typically take about 2 weeks to fully roll out. So guys, there is a link for this article, you can check. What I notice is they are saying that we confirm broad core updates because they typically produce some widely notable effects. Some sites may not drop or gains during them. We know those with the site that experience drop will be looking for a fix, and we want to ensure they don't try to fix the wrong things. Moreover, there might not be anything to fix. So they are saying that the ups and downs, it happens when they do these updates, and it will be fixed. They are saying there might not be, you should not do anything, and it will be fixed. But guys, I was reading just comments, and they just are quite funny. As you can see, and there was a guy, I don't know, who is saying that those website who got hit on May core update are already see this after May core update. This is one totally. Many people said that the May core update also make them also dropped their traffic, and they never recovered that traffic. So this update, they won't they are just ignoring Google that this will also harm the site, and there is nothing Google will do. So you are doomed, they just wanted to say. So this is actually true. Many have faced this, and Google did this. Okay, so guys, I will tell you about an example what my site have faced, but before that, let's focus on one thing. So here, this is a content and quality questions. You should read these one and try to follow these one. Okay. Content provide original information and reporting, research and analysis. Okay, there are so many things you should know, and also there are the parameters of speed. Speed parameters. Does content display well for mobile devices? You should check these things. Okay. Spelling mistakes, stylistic mistakes. You should check these on your theme. What most of you guys, if you have purchased the Income School theme, then you might have some errors. I have errors in that theme, and I guess you should also have some errors. Okay. So what you can do is Google Page Insight, page speed, just type your site here and check, and let me give you an example. Guys, what you should do at the website about its speed. Speed is also important factor, but basically what matters is how much time a user is spending or reading your article. If your article is good enough, he won't be going back. So guys, 3 matrices FCP, you should check this. Cumulative layout shift, you should also check this one. And largest content painful, this one also you should check. Okay, so these two in my income school theme Kavado, these two are good enough, but this one I don't know what happened to this. So all the solutions they are providing are here. Okay, what you need to do, okay, reducing the scripts, okay, using a cache plugin, having a static assets, there are preload request, you can preload these with the link related preload tag. So okay, initial server, so that's, there are so many things. JavaScript execution time, some of them you can repair and increase this score, but at the end of the day you should check your speed in GTmetrix also. Okay, and what you need to check is how much time it's taking to actually where is America? America, where is America? This one. Okay, I got it. So you should check the speed. If your location, if your target location in America, USA, then check the speed here. Okay, type your website and check. And you need to check in GTmetrix, you need to check the water flow. Even if you ignore this thing, you should know, your page should open in 3 to 4 seconds, I guess, maximum. That is a good thing. So this guy's page, what is this? Opening 1.4. Okay, this is also using LCP. Okay, this guy's page opening in 1.4 seconds. So this is good. Okay guys, so sometimes this score does not matter. This is the thing that is matters the most. Okay, here you need to check the waterfall. Waterfall is, if you see this line, blue line, violet box, okay, taking much more microseconds. Okay, then check that. I have seen this images taking my this 1 second images. When images are load, they take 1 second to load. So they are increasing the time for a website to open. So you can use a good tiny PNG site, tiny PNG, to first decrease the size of any image you upload. Okay, and second, there's a plugin called I guess the name I have already forgotten because I removed it, but it is a paid plugin that converts well enough your images. Plugin for images. image compression. Yes, that should be see guys, Short Pixel is the plugin name. What it will do is not only this will decrease the size of an image that is on your page, but also the thumbnail image that is on the page with the related you have seen related articles, right? That also loads some images, and when not images, it's thumbnails, so they takes the time when loading, so you should use that also. Okay, use this and it will also decrease or compress the size of thumbnails also, thumbnail short images. Okay, for mobile images also, I guess. So it will, I am not using this one because I am using this one, tiny BNG. So I compress this. Sometimes I compress the size. If I get 150 KB image, then I compress 2 times, so it reduced to 90 KB. So this is what I do. But it is good. I will use it once I will make some money, then definitely I will use. Okay guys, so here you need to see this violet line. If the violet line is anywhere in this, you need to check what are the things that are causing the time, this time. The first visit time, making website slower. Okay, you will find here it will show like 500 I don't know, 500 to 800 seconds, I mean. So you need to check. Okay, this is the one thing you need to check. Also I want to show you guys, and you should read this article. Okay, don't just ignore this one. If you want to recover, I don't think you should rely on Google to fix your things. Fix by yourself is the best thing you can do. Okay, and guys, this is my website that is not visible here. I have removed. I know today. So guys, unique page views, as you can see, this is 29th November, 28, 30, 1. So the effect of them doing core update is started from 1 December, and when the update announced, it was dropped the next day. More, it was dropped the next day. So you can see the downward flow here. The announcement is happened here, and the drop you can see. Okay, so but my graph is not like other people, as you can see. So I was testing. I have actually increased the speed of a website first and did some changes in my existing post. Okay, and you can see I have somehow recovered some way. You can see yesterday I have got 17 organic visits. Yes, so and today it's only 4 because this day is not end, so it might reach to 8 only. Okay, so it has some effect. Okay, so focus on the content and publishing. Also, guys, daily publish at least one article, or in 2 days at least publish one article. Okay, and also refresh, also submit your sitemap again and again when you update the article. It will the bots will come to your website and rank index it. At least they will come and see there is new post. Okay, so the next thing I want to share, want to tell you that you should not, if you have written 50 articles and your traffic is only coming from most of the traffic. See guys, I have written 50 posts and only the 3-4 posts, or maybe in my case there are 10 posts. No, there are 7 posts which are giving at least 10 page views. But guys, we should not rely on a single post or only 10 posts which are ranking. That Income School new video also focus on that you should not rely on only one article to give traffic to your website. Okay, if you have multiple articles ranking on Google, then you may see a drop, but it is not that a high drop, like 60 to 70% your article 60 to 70% your traffic is dropped, because most people, what they do is most of their traffic comes from either 10 post, 15 post, or maybe 20 post, and the major contributor to the traffic is only one article, on only 3-4 article. Okay, so once they some other person target those keywords and rank rank them higher than they will lose the traffic. They will not sitting on the traffic for 6 months. Someone will come and compete with your traffic. So you need to keep updating the content, and also don't focus on only one post. Your all posts should bring some traffic. This is my advice. And guys, what it does to my page, I will explain this. So when I search, my keyword is ranking here in third post. Okay, most of them many ranking here in snippet, but snippet already has the answer, so no one is going to the article. That is the problem with my 2-3 snippets ranking in 0th position. So my one such keyword that is ranking in 3rd position, that is bring 3rd position, and also in 8th position, 7th position, they all move out. They all pushed out back to 2nd page, 3rd page, 5th page. Some are disappeared from the 100th page. Okay, so Google did this. So so those that are ranking in 3rd and 9th, 10th, 7th position, they are in 2nd or 3rd page or 4th page. Okay, Google said in 2 to 3 weeks you will it will be fixed. Okay, so guys, if you are all and what is the funny thing is, you have a question, you ask the question in Google, and your article is only your article is answering that question, only your article in the world answering that question, and Google still showing authority websites that are even not, don't have an answer. Guys, those top 10 websites, even top 20 websites does not have that answer. Okay, so Google pushed back our fresh websites that are not that are still in sandbox, and preferred authority websites and higher DA PA website to come up in the search results. Okay, so this is where I am angry at them, because I have seen I have answering questions on my website and they are ranking here in the first page, and suddenly they got pushed back to second or third page. Okay, in 3 weeks they are saying it will be recovered, but it will recover, but it will slowly recover, like how our positions, when one thing, you if you see Google search console every day, then you will notice that each of the our keywords position increase day by day. Means it will come up, it will change the position day by day, or in 2 days it will means if you are in third page in third position, then after 2 days you are here. Okay, then after 1 day you are here. So in 2 to 3 weeks you might get your post might get old, and if your answer is if you are answering the exact question, then it will keep increasing the position, and then it will reach again in 2 to 3 weeks in first page. Same way it was in last 30th November. Okay, so I don't know why Google did this. Maybe they do these things to only give traffic to the higher authority website. I don't know, but it is the situation, because I have seen they are not answering the question. They even don't have the keyword in the I have checked the websites. They don't even have the keyword. Only they have the let's say I said WordPress plugin. So only they have the main keyword, and Google is ranking them on first page. Okay, so I am recovering, but it will take time. I mean, I guess it will take 3 to 4 days for my websites to reach, because my one of the keyword that is pushed back. Okay, it was in 13th position and it is going upward in, and now it is in 11th position. It will come up in first very soon. So guys, but I advise also don't make mistake. Also don't make mistake in this game. Okay, if you don't know things, I just what I did is I first speed up my websites. I rectify my page speed of my website. Okay, first thing I did this, and second thing, I have changed the titles to exact to the to tell about the keyword, so they come up to the surf. But still my article is telling about the main keyword and not the sub keyword. Okay, should not also don't write shocking words on the titles. Okay. Also don't write shocking aggregating words. Okay, so you when I say that you should read this, then you should read this. Okay, I have shown this thing. It will recover. You can see my traffic. I have removed the ad codes, Google AdSense codes, for some day, because I know Google did something just to I don't know what the updates are. They are just giving authority sites more traffic than your websites. I only conclude this, but it will if they're saying it will recover, I don't. You should keep posting content, okay, and don't make your one post get all the traffic. You should work on all the posts. Okay, so I am also now working on my 50 post, because every new article you will write, it will not rank in 1 year. If you are focusing on high competition keywords, it will not rank in 1 year. And now you should focus on the low competition keywords, and also on increasing the content, or unanswered questions. Increase the content based on unanswered questions, queries, or many other things. Okay, so this is the update thing. I hope you like it. Smash the like button if you like it. Dislike it, otherwise dislike it. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you all.